What's going on, YouTube? So today I'm here to unbox, review, and also show you the on-foot of the Nike Air Max 90 Rugged Orange. Alright, talking about orange, guys, you know, I'm a New York Knicks fan. I basically grew up in New York City, alright, in my younger days, right? But everybody has their favorite team. If any one of you has ever loved any team, right, you will understand that your favorite team, after a while, when you watch their games every day, when you root for them, all right, whether they win or they don't win, they become like your girlfriend, right? You start to love your team. You understand what I'm saying? This is what it's like, because I don't know if you guys noticed that there are people, right, out there that cry when their team lose. Did you guys know that? There are fanatic fans out there, all right, that'll fight you, your friend, if their team was to lose, all right? So let's not even play that game, right? Understand this, that when you love a team, whether it's basketball, whether it's football, whether it's tennis, I don't care what it is, all right? Your favorite team, if they lose and you had enough passion for that team and you were that fanatic about your team, you will have some sort of emotional outage, all right? Because you love your team that much, all right? Now, for me, when I was younger, I grew up watching the Knicks. I loved the Knicks. You understand what I'm saying? Loved them. To the point where they're starting to feel like, my team is starting to feel like a girlfriend to me, all right? Because I watched them every day. Whenever I bought a newspaper, I was looking at the Knicks. What's the standing? Are they winning? Are they not winning? You know what I'm saying? This is the person I think they should put on the team. I was very involved, okay? Just like any fanatic fan about their team. Who I think should be traded on the team. Who I think they should do. You know what I'm saying? But here is where I stopped loving my girlfriend, all right? This is where the Knicks started making decisions, all right? They started losing all the time, all right? Making decisions, getting players that weren't supposed to be on the team, that weren't even good enough, and giving them money, max money to people that shouldn't be on the team. They were making decisions that was not in my best interest. And plus, they were losing. I loved this. This is the thing, right? If you love your girlfriend a lot, all right, but she cheats on you, all right, she doesn't do things in your best interest. Whenever it's holidays, she doesn't give you nothing, all right? She's always going out, but she never calls you at the end of the night. She's, you know, I don't know. You can't find her. All right, she doesn't answer her phone all the time. She's basically cheating on you, right? Now, this is what the Knicks felt to me after a while when they started losing. I said, I love this team so much, but they never do anything in my best interest. So you know what I said? Knicks, you know what? I think it's time for us to break up. I had to break up with my girlfriend as I got a little older. You understand why? You know why I had to break up with my girlfriend? Because she was cheating on me all the time. She was not doing things in my best interest. If she would have gotten better players, all right, stop messing up basketball players' reputation, all right? Giving max money to people that don't deserve it, getting players that are not even good on the team. Maybe our team would have won. So I had to break up with my girlfriend. I had to break up with the Knicks, all right? I did it. She wasn't doing anything that was in my best interest, so I had to leave her, all right? Now, today is 2021, okay? A lot of players on the Knicks have gone over the few years. That's due to the team not winning. So they just continue to get younger players and younger players. If you guys want to know something today, I'm back with my girlfriend. I'm back with her. You know, I'm starting to love her again. And you know why? Because she's not cheating on me anymore. The Knicks are doing good now. They're doing good. They're actually the 6th right now in the East Conference. All right? They're the 6th. They're not playing. They're not the best team in the East, but they're one of the better teams. All right? We're the 6th in the East, and that's good enough for me. All right? Because I'm patient with my girlfriend. Okay, she don't gotta be the best girlfriend right now, but she can get better as we go along. She can get better, all right? I'm gonna give her a chance. I'm gonna give her an opportunity because she's starting to do things. That's in my best interest. Getting plays that deserves to get played, all right? Working hard, all right? Giving more money to the right people that deserve it, all right? And basically just making the organization a little better so players can come to New York and play, all right? Because we got across town Brooklyn Nets now, all right? We got a competition, okay, across town with another team. Even though I grew up in Brooklyn, I'm not even a Brooklyn Nets fan. But I'll support the Nets because they're from New York. You understand what I'm saying? But still, I'll always be a Knicks fan. Like I said, guys, this team is like a girlfriend to me. I love them since a young age. All right. Even when I didn't have cable, I was listening on the radio. All right, for the Knicks games. You don't know what that is. You don't know about that. You don't know about that. You know what I'm saying? And you didn't have cable. You would listen to the radio for your favorite team. I love them that much. But right now, guys, I'm back with my girlfriend again because she's doing things in my best interest. She loves me. All right. She's buying me gifts on the holidays. She's buying me gifts on my birthday. She's not sleeping outside after she go to the club anymore. She's coming home to me. So you know what? I accept her back with open arms. Hey, baby, you're back again. All right, all right. We love each other. Let's do this. Let's make it right. Let's make it right. Let's make it right. You know what I mean? All right. So, guys, let's get off this topic. Let's talk about these Air Max 90 rugged orange. All right. You guys know this is within the last few years. This has been one of the most popular Air Maxes that's been put out. You know. These Air Max is popular everywhere. People are wearing these Air Max everywhere. The Air Max 90, and they come in different colorways, all right? And you guys already know, I used to own a pair of Air Max 90s, and they are one of the most comfortable shoes you can ever wear. But what we're discussing today is the Nike Air Max 90 Rugged Orange. Without further ado, let's take a look at it, and let's see what it looks like, all right? And in case you don't have these yet, they come in a box that looks just like this. Let me give you guys a 360. Let me show you the bottom, and let me show you the top. Alright guys, so basically I got these on ASOS for 140 bucks, alright? All I did was just go online, click, order it, boom, it's right on my front door. Out of all the Air Maxes that's been produced in the last decade, alright? This will be more of the popular ones, the Nike Air Max 90, alright? They've come in like 900 different colors. I think there's a color every month or something like that, alright? This particular color is called Rugged Orange. The back of the heels are a little bit thick. That's due to the bubbles they put inside of it, all right? But it gives you a little bit of height, all right? And also they come with these bubbles inside. They're basically made of leather, synthetic, textile, and rubber, all right? I'm loving these colors right here. As a matter of fact, you know, I give this right here like an 8 out of 10. You know what I'm saying? It'll be one of my favorite colors. It's different. Check out the classic Air Max logo right there, Nike Air with the check sign in the back. These are very easy on the feet, man. They're actually very, very comfortable from my experience. And you know what I like about it, guys? This does not get destroyed easily. It's hard. It will be hard to mess these shoes up. Very, very difficult to mess it up. I don't know about you guys, but for me, what out of all the Air Maxes, which Air Max is your favorite? Because there's many different Air Max. There's Air Max 90, there's Air Max 720, there's Air Max this, Air Max that. The Nike Air Max 90 will be one of my favorite regular everyday shoe that you could just throw on. All right, they're comfortable, you know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying, they don't look bad. You know what I'm saying? It's something that you can wear with jeans and all that stuff, right? And it doesn't even cost that much. So I rate this an 8 out of 10, all right? I've now come to the end of my video, guys. Thanks for watching my video. If you're new to this channel, click that subscribe button. And if you're not, what are you waiting for? Click that like button, click that share button. And until next time, just maybe, I might see you with these on. Or I might not. Who knows? One easy.